Welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I have the opportunity to help you to understand and speak better English. In today's English lesson, I'm going to teach you about the English phrase, in the same boat. Now, before we get to talking about this, I want to make sure that you know that closed captions are on and you can turn them on right now just in case you need subtitles. Also, if you are not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I release a new English lesson 2 to 3 times a week. Now, the English phrase in the same boat has to do with a group of people that are in the same situation, and that situation can be bad or good. It could be people that are in your family, people that you work with, people that you go to school with, or some of your friends. And whatever the situation is that has to do with all of you, you would say, we are in the same boat. So for instance, someone may say, if I go down, we all go down. We are in the same boat. So if you and a sibling both took cookies out of the cookie jar and you suspected that your parents knew that you took cookies out of the cookie jar before you were supposed to, one may tell the other, look, if I go down, we both go down. We are in the same boat. Another example would be, if I succeed, we all succeed. We are in the same boat. So there's an old saying that says there is no I in team. When we're trying to succeed, we're all on the same team. There's a saying that says teamwork makes the dream work. And so we're all in the same boat. If one of us succeeds, all of us succeeds. Let's look at another example. They all worked together when they realized they were in the same boat. So when everyone realizes that we shouldn't be working against one another, you would say, look, we can cause something great to happen because we are in the same boat. And finally, stop fighting each other. We are in the same boat. Husband and wife, look, let's not fight against each other. We're in the same boat. Siblings may say, let's stop fighting. Let's get along. We are in the same boat. Now, before we get out of here, let's look at a student comment. This is from, I believe you pronounce his name, Azai. And he says, good job. Thank you so much, sir. And I replied to him, you are welcome, Azai. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like me to read one of your comments, make sure you drop down and leave a comment in the comments section so I can know what you're learning, how you're learning, and your thoughts about the video. Before we get out of here, I want to invite you, if you're not following me on social media, make sure you follow me. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and also have a podcast where you can listen to English lessons in your car or on your mobile phone so you can understand and speak better English. I hope you join me next time right here on Jay's Learning School. Until then, be sure to watch some of my other videos to help you speak better English. See you next time.